All right, here we are in my basement, checking out some my favorite fix things. I recently got something new to assist with a lot of fixes. I want to tell you guys about it. Might be a good gift idea for that fixer in your life, or if you're a fixer yourself, maybe you should pick one of these up. It's kind of changed my life. Without further ado, this is it right here. I just dropped the battery. Don't worry about that. This is a Black & Decker lithium-ion powered hot glue gun. Now, I know what you're saying, like hot glue. Come on, it's kind of changed my life. The thing about it is, in my mind, plugging in the damn hot glue gun and waiting for that thing to get hot is like, I mean, it might as well take a decade. And then you're tethered to the cord and you've got this hot thing, and you know, everybody's got that hot glue gun plate. To this point in my life, hot glue's just not been a viable fix solution until this. It's kind of changed my life. It's pretty cheap. I think it was like $35 on Amazon. It came with a couple of hot glue sticks, but it does use large hot glue sticks. It came with a couple of long ones, Gorilla Glue, short ones, and they'll take these things one at a time. It will be a little bit more expensive if you don't already have some Black & Decker batteries. I have a Black & Decker Weed Eater, so I had a charger and two of these 2 milliamp 20 volt batteries. If you've ever searched for batteries, I use a Makita Impact wrench and a Makita drill as well, and I bought a few new batteries, and I'm telling you, like a 5 milliamp battery for your impact wrench or for this, it'll change your life. It's kind of changed my life. It's time. Buy a 5 milliamp, but I thought, you know, maybe I'll try one of these knockoff ones, because genuine Black & Decker 5 milliamp battery will run you about, I don't know, twice as much. And you have to really kind of look, as they say, you know, works with, and try and make it sound like it's genuine, but I mean, it's not. The difference between these two batteries, one being a genuine Black & Decker product, the other being the same shape, you know, same bus connectors, it's just not genuine. The thing about it is, with these lithium-ion batteries, you want to know what's inside all of them? 18650 individual cells soldered together with a different board, you know, a battery controller board chip. So that's kind of what's made me think, really, is there any, I mean, it's a lithium-ion battery at the end of the day.
Really?
Really?
So I bought this knockoff battery, and I gotta say, I've been pretty impressed with it. Let's get down to it. What I want to show you is the game changer. I complained a second ago about how long it takes for your corded hot glue gun to heat up. So how quickly does this one heat up? Let's find out. So I'm gonna run a timer whilst I do it, and I want to prove to you that it's not hot in the slightest. This is a little protective cover, but underneath here you can see there's a, you have to climb down and get that. This is completely cool to the touch. Let's see how long this takes. I'll go ahead and start the timer, and then to turn it on, you just push that little slide button back. So after 30 seconds, still not quite getting anything. Starting to feel a little softer. So it's now been just over a minute. Oh, and you can start to see the first little bit of glue come out there. So I think, and it's gonna drip. I'm not gonna let it drip on my hand, but that's pretty decent. Just over a minute and you've got hot glue pouring out. I'm pretty impressed with that. That's very doable. It stands up by itself. Anything that falls out of the tip here, it's not a big deal. That will come right off the desk without even thinking about it. So I think this is a game changer. So there you have it. I mean, I don't need to go into a long, detailed tutorial of all the things you can do with hot glue, but this crap will stick to anything. Wood, metal, sticking wood to metal, I fixed the backside of a cabinet drawer the other day. Do you want to wait for wood glue to dry? Heck no. Squirt a little hot glue in there, especially when you can have hot glue in just over a minute. Like, push the button, it can be hot. There's no fussing around with plates or anything like that. This is not a paid promotion of this product. It's just a good product. So I'll link it in the description down below to where you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll also link to this battery. This is a great tool to add to your collection. And I mean, you could stick anything to anything. It's right up there with super glue and duct tape and Segru. If you've seen my other video on that, check it out. Or if you haven't seen it, check it out. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe. Love to experience all kinds of different fixes and break some things from time to time. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. It's kind of changed my life.